In automotive manufacturing and material handling, distributed power is a critical consideration. With ever-increasing demands for more sensors, actuators, electronic devices, and other DC-powered components throughout the facility, providing DC power where it's needed can be a challenge. Available in 3.8 and 10 amp output ratings, the SolaHD SCP-X series Standalone IP67 power supplies by Emerson ensure reliable operation, even in harsh environments. Able to be directly mounted on a machine, conveyor, or wall in any orientation, large voltage drops on wire runs are no longer a concern when using SCP-X series power supplies. Quick change connectors on the SCP-X series power supplies simplify connectivity of distributed I/O devices. IP67 rated, they protect against dust ingress and the effects of water immersion. The SCP-X is also engineered with thermal management capabilities that eliminate the need for fans or exterior ventilation. Their high passive convection cooling efficiencies require only 1 inch of free space on the front and sides of the unit. The single and dual 100-watt models operate at universal 100 to 240 VAC input, 24 VDC output, and 3.8 amps. These models are limited to 100 watts of power per circuit to meet Class II requirements for power limiting with no need to split supply circuits or run additional cables. A control power version is available for applications that require a grounded output or an isolated power version when an isolated output from ground is required. For high inrush applications that require more power, a 10 amp model is available with a 15 amp power boost, extending the system by providing up to 150% of the nominal current. The DC relay contact provides diagnostic information to a PLC, DCS, IPC, or another controller. SolaHD SCP-X series standalone IP67 power supplies by Emerson offer an innovative solution while providing users with mounting versatility, simplified connectivity of distributed I/O devices, and ultimate protection without the need for external housing. To learn more about SolaHD SCP-X series standalone IP67 power supplies, Emerson's innovative solution for field power distribution, visit www.solahd.com.